Each year, thousands of Earth and space scientists from around the world gather to connect, share bold ideas, premiere groundbreaking research, and find solutions for a rapidly changing world. It's where questions turn into discovery, discovery turns into collaboration, and collaboration shapes the future of our planet and beyond. Welcome to AGU 25. Welcome to AGU 25. You're watching AGU TV, coming to you from New Orleans, where the American Geophysical Union is uniting a community from around the world to share bold ideas, groundbreaking research, and solutions for a rapidly changing world. Over 20,000 Earth and space scientists from more than 100 countries are here, sparking new collaborations and tackling some of the most critical challenges of our time. I'm Sarah Haywood. And all week, I'll be taking you through the heart of AGU 25, capturing the latest science, the biggest conversations, and the people who make the community move forward. So be sure to follow along each day as we release new content. Here. And here. And here. Oh, and here. Alongside our coverage of the annual meeting, we're premiering the 2025 AGU Film Series, a powerful collection of films focused on the organizations and partners shaping the future of science. These stories go beyond the conference, showing how research turns into action, how data drives decisions, and how science is creating a more resilient world. This is AGU 25, where science connects us, and this is AGU TV. Let's get started.